Dah.
Hi. Welcome, Ayra.
Welcome to Ayra Show. Today, Ayra is going to unbox the new Barbie color reveal. So last night we already revealed one, which we got this one. Ta-da! Okay, so today we are going to reveal one more.
See, this is.
Yeah, this is it. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so it says here that there are 7 surprises inside. So we are going to open this. Yeah. Okay, let me help. Check it out. Yeah. Okay. What is that? So there are, wait, 4 surprises. I think we are getting the same thing.
Let's count.
Okay, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's stated here there are 5. Not 5. There are 7 surprises. I'm not sure which one yang tak cukup.
This one.
Okay lah, never mind. So, can I help? Yeah. Okay, I am so nervous.
Oh no! What does it do?
I think this is different from what we got.
Look.
Is it same? No, it's not the same. I hope it's not the same. Looking at this one have bangs and this one doesn't have bangs. Yay, nasib baik. Okay, so what we have to do now is to fill up this bottle up to this one. There is indicator for it. So we pour in the water, warm water, up to this level. I am so excited.
Look, I want to.
Okay, so what we're going to do next is to put the Barbie inside this
Water.
Yes. Slowly. Put cepat. Oh. Alright. So you can see the bubbles. I am so excited. Come. Oh my god. I think this one is Mommy's favorite. Okay. Come, let Mommy show to the camera. Once it dissolves, you'll get this shimmery, purpley water. Okay, so you wait until it dissolves. It will reveal. We got the different one. Yay! But wait, not yet.
Tissue, please.
Yeah. So we also need tissue for this. Not yet. See, the leg is not fully dissolved.
Look.
The body is dissolved already.
This is
I think this one is the unicorn.
unicorn.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Oh, I think the leg is purple. I mean the pink. I think the leg is memang pink. We have to dissolve this one a little bit more. The neck. Wow. Aren't you excited?
Yeah, Ayra can see.
What can you see?
Ayra can see.
Okay, I think It's fully dissolved. Okay, meanwhile Ayra is going to open the surprises.
I want to open this first.
The hair first. Okay, so let's open the hair. Which hair did you get? Wow,
Rainbow.
the color is so nice.
Rainbow.
Rainbow color. Okay, so we just put this in the
Little
hole.
shoes.
Wow, that is so nice.
The little shoes.
See like this. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so we got green shoes. Green shoes. And what's next?
Is it the skirt?
It's the skirt. So what's next?
Earring.
Okay, I think this one we're going to put it like this. Yeah. Pull the weight all the way up like that. Ta-da! Oh wait, we haven't finished yet. There's one more surprise, which is the
Ring.
earring. Oh, this one. Just put it inside like that. One more. So like that. So we have revealed our second Barbie. You like this one?
Yes.
So
Bye.
wait, I don't think there is a name, but yeah, never mind, there is no name.
This one.
Yeah, we got the rainbow one. There in this series. What series is this? Shimmer series. Dia ada 5. Ada purple and then something like red and then bluish. This one is purplish and this one. So yeah. Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, that's all from us. Bye bye. See you soon.
See you